All right, Fairway team, welcome. We're here to walk through a critical new resource, the Field Operations Standard Operating Procedure, or SOP. Let's jump right in. Think of this SOP as our new playbook for every multifamily project. The whole idea here is to create one consistent, high-performance framework for how we manage our work out in the field. It's all about getting everyone on the same page.
And look, this is super important. This isn't something that was just handed down from the top. No, this SOP was built with you guys. We've incorporated direct feedback from our site teams, our PMs, and every department involved. It combines your real-world experience with industry best practices, and it all plugs directly into the Procore workflows you already use.
Okay, so first things first, let's talk about the why. What's the real purpose behind this SOP? What are we trying to accomplish with it? You know, it really boils down to four main goals. 1. We're standardizing our job site procedures so that everyone on every site works the same way. 2. We're aligning all our field activities with our safety and schedule goals. 3. We're going all in on leveraging digital tools like Procore for documentation. And finally, we're really beefing up our training so everyone understands the Fairway standard from day one.
All right, next up, scope. Let's get clear on who needs to follow this SOP and on which projects.
Let's be crystal clear on this. This SOP, it applies to all multifamily construction projects managed by Fairway, no exceptions. And it's built specifically as a practical tool for our superintendents, our assistant supers, our field engineers, and our project managers.
Okay, so now for the good stuff. Let's look at the key features. These are the elements we've built right into the SOP to make your job more efficient and our projects more successful. Probably the biggest game changer here is its deep integration with Procore. For every single procedure in this SOP, we're showing you exactly how to document it, track it, and report on it using the Procore tools you already know and use every day. RFIs, photos, the daily log, you name it.
And building right on top of that, the SOP is designed to be a powerhouse for training. We've actually embedded hands-on modules straight from the Procore Training Center for role-specific onboarding. This means it doesn't matter if you're brand new or a seasoned pro. Everyone gets trained to the exact same high standard. To make sure all this is consistent, the SOP is driven by templates and checklists. For each section, you're going to find linked forms, checklists, and trackers. It's all about making our processes repeatable, reliable, and honestly, always ready for a review or an audit.
And finally, this whole document was designed with a field-centric format. The procedures aren't some abstract theory. They reflect your real-time workflows out on the site. Everything is broken down by your role and is aligned with the practical realities of site logistics, inspections, safety protocols, and project milestones.
Okay, let's do a quick flyby of what's actually inside the full document. Here are the 5 main sections that make up the entire Field Operations SOP.
So, as you can see, the SOP is structured to follow the entire project lifecycle. It kicks off with mobilization, moves through daily field ops and controls, and then covers closeout and turnover. The final section is dedicated entirely to technology. Essentially, it's a complete roadmap from project start to finish.
This is a really important point. We need to talk about how this SOP is going to be maintained and improved over time. This isn't some document that gets written and then just sits on a shelf collecting dust.
We're calling this a living document, and we mean it. It's designed to evolve. It's going to be reviewed and updated every quarter based on your direct feedback from the field, updates in technology, and any changes in regulations.
To make that happen, all revisions will be logged and communicated right through the Procore Company Documents Library, so you always know you're working with the latest version. And if you have questions or suggestions for improvement, your point of contact is the Field Operations Leadership Team. Your input is critical to keeping this document effective.
Ultimately, when you boil it all down, adopting this SOP is absolutely fundamental to our mission. This is the framework that will empower us to deliver consistent, high-performance results on every single project, through every phase of construction.
So, as you start to dig into the details of each section, we want to leave you with a question to think about. How will you use this SOP to drive consistency on your project? Because adopting these procedures is the key to our collective success.